This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic. This is example 2 of finding the tangent of a difference of two angles. And we're going to find the exact value of tangent of 15 degrees using that formula. So the formula, if you recall, is the tangent of A minus B is equal to the tangent of A, minus the tangent of B over 1 plus the tangent of A times the tangent of B. So we don't have this written 15 as a difference, so you have to think of what two special angles, what two numbers that are special angles could you subtract to equal 15? And there's two possibilities that come to mind. 60 degrees minus 45 degrees equals 15, or 45 degrees minus 30 degrees equals 15. So those are two natural ones that you might use. Let's go ahead and use the 60 degrees minus 45 degrees, but you'll get the same answer in the end if you do 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. All right, so we'll use this. So in other words, the tangent of 15 degrees can be written as 15 can be written as 60 minus 45, right? So let's put it in. So we want the tangent of the first angle, tangent of 60 degrees, minus the tangent of 45 degrees, all over 1 plus the tangent of 60 degrees, tangent of 45 degrees. So we need to know the tangents of 60 and 45 degrees. Okay, so let's draw a little picture. 60 degrees, I think of this way. 1 square root of 3, 2. So the tangent of 60 will be square root of 3 over 1. Okay, and let's see, the tangent of 45 is the easy one. It's 1 over 1, which is 1. So let's go ahead and plug those in here. So we've got the tangent of 60 degrees, which is square root of 3, minus the tangent of 45, which is 1, over 1 plus the tangent of 60 degrees, which is square root of 3 times 1. Well, what's cool about that we use 60 instead of 30, by the way, is that we didn't get a complex fraction, so that was kind of nice. At least we don't have to deal with that. So we've got square root of 3 minus 1 over 1 plus square root of 3. But this is not simplified because I have an irrational number here in the denominator. So let's rationalize the denominator. All right, so I want to do the conjugate of what's in the denominator. So we want to do 1 minus square root of 3. So my new numerator will be, all right, I'm going to do the FOIL method. Square root of 3 times 1 minus square root of 3 times square root of 3 is just 3. Inner minus 1. And the last plus square root of 3. And in the denominator, we'll just get 1 squared minus square root of 3 squared, right? 1 times 1 minus square root of 3 times square root of 3. So we get just 1 minus 3. Oops, a little too far. All right, so we're still going here. All right, so we want to combine like terms in the numerator. So square root of 3 plus square root of 3 is 2 square roots of 3 minus 4 over a negative 2. And it's usually not good form to leave a negative in the denominator, by the way. But so how are we going to deal with this? There's two ways. One way, since 2 happens to go in both of these terms in the numerator, we can just put each term over negative 2. So that's one way of simplifying this. 2 square roots of 3 over negative 2, and then minus 4 over negative 2. And that gives me negative square roots of 3. These change to plus, and 4 over 2 is 2. So we could write that as 2 minus square roots of 3. Now, another way you could have done this is factor out of 2. So just keep in mind another way to simplify that exact same thing is you could factor out of 2, which gives you square root of 3 minus 2. And then you're dividing by a negative 2. So when you cancel the 2 and the negative 2, you still have a negative 1 down here. And then you don't leave a negative 1 in the denominator. It means you change the signs of the numerator because same reasoning, that's just the same thing as multiplying by negative 1. Dividing by negative 1 is the same. So you would get negative square roots of 3 plus 2, which is exactly the same as 2 minus square roots of 3. So that will be, oops, I didn't quite, there we go, sorry. Didn't finish writing that. So our final answer here is we're trying to find the tangent of 15 degrees. And so that's it. This is your Math Gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic.